do the watermelon crawl.
Hey y'all, welcome back.
Appreciate all the likes and subscribes. Be sure and keep doing it.
Yeah, if you like it, our videos, like, subscribe, comment down below, and share with all your friends. This is the Bubba's Adventures channel.
I'm the bearded Bubba.
Yeah, I'm
Bubba Smooth.
I still ain't growed a beard.
Hey, guess what? Today, Keto Part 2, Keto Chicken and Dumplings.
Chicken and dumplings.
Chicken and dumplings.
Good night.
I tear some chicken and dumplings up, boy.
Good night. I've been waiting up. I was telling my wife last night how much I love chicken and dumplings.
Roll them up, roll them up, throw them in the dough.
Good night, boy. I told her about 10,000 times. She finally smacked me. She said, I told you. And I went over like a little wolf pup, sat in the corner.
Chicken and dumplings.
Then she told me to go to bed. So I went to bed.
We show you how to make keto chicken and dumplings.
All
That's
right.
the key.
Keto.
Yeah. This is chicken and dumplings.
Yeah.
This is keto chicken and dumplings.
Yeah. Suck it in first.
We get I'm trying. It just
Yeah.
never mind.
Yeah.
We finna do a weigh-in, our weekly
Yeah.
weigh-in.
Yep.
So everybody know what's going on. You cheated in?
No. I ain't cheated none.
I hadn't either.
I,
That's a lie. I've been cheating my butt off.
have you?
I have. I've been cheating.
How you gonna lose
I've been
weight on keto?
It's keto.
You ain't got your keto?
No, but I got the gout toe.
Oh, my
Golly, the gout toe. The gout toe make me want a keto, I promise you.
Good night. That thing swelled up like a dead whale.
Gout toe is a
All right.
All right then.
Stand by. All right, here we go.
All right, Bearded Bubba.
Bearded Bubba.
I was 329.
Yep. 324.
Bam!
5 pounds.
Bam! You know what? That'd be 323 if it wasn't for all that gout caught up in that joint.
I'm telling you.
All right, get on there.
All right.
All right, here we go. Just smooth up in the house.
Bubba Smooth.
Get up on that. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Look at it crying.
Look
Look
at
at
it.
it. It's crying.
Look at it.
All right then. Bam! 286. What the? You was 300.
Yeah.
Ooh, keto when you don't cheat, keto when you cheat. Bam! Y'all seen that? Don't be a cheater. All right, we'll be right back. All right. Keto chicken and dumplings. Now, if we're making regular chicken and dumplings, you're using 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of Crisco, and 5 ounces of milk. We're gonna mix all that together and make the dumpling part. Go ahead and boil your chicken, 2 breastises of chicken. Then you take your broth and you remove the chicken from the broth, and you got your broth. You're gonna keep it boiling because that's what you're gonna put the dumplings in. That's how you cook the dumplings. And then you're gonna take the chicken and add it back to the broth, salt and pepper, and you got keto chicken and dumplings. No, wait a minute. You got regular chicken and dumplings. We making keto chicken and dumplings. Bearded Bubba, be me, is gonna do the cooking this week. Smooth did a fine job on the chicken last week. So this is my turn to show y'all how to keto. All right, here we go. We got some chickens right here that we done shredded up. We got the pepper meal. We're gonna bust a little, just seasoning a little bit on the pepper meal. All right. Then we got the broth. This is how you make keto chicken and dumplings. You take the flour and you
No, what?
pour it away. You take the milk and you pour it out.
But.
You take the Crisco and throw it away. You take the broth and you pour it out, and then you just eat the chicken. Because that's all they is to the keto, is the chicken. You can drink some water with it, but
But I thought we was having the chicken and the dumpling.
Well, we having the chicken because that's the only thing you can have when you ketoing. We can't do no dumplings on keto. I don't know who told you we could do dumplings, but we can't do no keto.
But you said.
Well, I love my diet.
You want some water?
Yeah, I'm joking.
All right, man.
All right, keto out.
Y'all be sure to like, subscribe.
Stay tuned. Next week, you never know what we're gonna do.
That's right. Bubba's out.
Now, y'all see that? Look at that right there. Y'all see all that right there? That's what we really eating. That's how we really losing weight. Ain't no dumplings.
Say what? I think I got a piece of chicken stuck under my denture.
Next time. See y'all.
Yeah, have fun.